Visit, I knew I had some insurance problems, and I called 3 companies out. One of them wouldn't even work with insurance companies. The other one wanted to charge me 20% higher than what they normally do to work with the insurance companies, whereas Toby came in and offered to work with the insurance companies first. I wasn't obligated to do anything with them unless they got money out of the insurance company, and even then I had an out to use someone else if I wanted to. Toby as the public adjuster was awesome. I didn't have to do a thing. He showed up, he showed me where the storm damage was. From that point on, I told him to proceed. He got my insurance info, filed the claim with the insurance company himself, met the adjuster while I wasn't here, and negotiated a very good settlement. Toby was great. Like I said earlier. He did a great job explaining the insurance process to me. He was here to help me call the mortgage company to get them to sign off on the check. He kind of helped guided me through the whole entire process. The office staff was great. Unfortunately, I was under a deadline with scheduling to get the roof done because the insurance company needed it done by 5/2/2019. Otherwise, I would have lost half the claim. I called the office several times, worried about the schedule and the weather. And every single time, they assured me that it was going to be okay. They explained the process to me, and then they did get it done in time. It was great. What impressed me most is kind of hard to say. I mean, working with Toby was great. He helped me out with the process completely. The crews were amazing. They did a good job. They were willing to, they tolerated me coming out and asking questions and looking at what they were doing. And they're really, I mean, really and honestly, it was easy. I didn't have to do a thing.